The $6 million cat, Godzilla.
Gentlemen, we can rebuild him. We have the technology.
The $6 million cat, Godzilla. Even Godzilla. Actually, not $6 million. Actually, only about $10,000. He got something tried to eat him. Broke his rear leg, his femur, into 3 big pieces and shattered one end, broke both ends off. And he somehow escaped. I have no idea how he escaped. And then had to reposition his own mangled leg up underneath him. So by the time he got home, it was very weirdly but efficiently tucked up underneath him and like twist around upside down backwards. Where we go? Show you right leg. This leg right here. This was all shaved. Big scar in there. And but anyway, so he first of all he escaped something that had him by the back leg enough to break it into a bunch of pieces. Then he had to reset his own leg so he could walk home. And he made it home. He was he was fine other than the super broken leg. Didn't have the heart to put him away. And they said they could take his leg off for $5,000, or they could fix it for $6,000 to $8,000. And I had a moment of silence with myself, knowing I had to do what I had to do. And so I told them to go for it. And they went over the estimate. They went over the high end of the estimate. And so, I don't know, probably $9,000 for that incident. $9,000 cat, Godzilla. Good kitty.